If you would like to upload a picture of something, like for example today, Mrs. Cowan suggested that you find a cube in your house and you could take a picture of it and send it to me. What you would do is you would want to take a picture with one of your parents' phones and then you can email it to yourself. So I'm in Brian's account. This is your email address. This is obviously just Brian's email address, but what I mean is your email address is your student ID number, which is your username to get into your Chromebook and to the dashboard, at stu.ddsd40.org. So you would email the picture to yourself, and then when you're in your dashboard, here's your dashboard. You would go to Gmail. If you had emailed yourself a picture, it would be right here, and you would click on it, and then you could download the picture onto your desktop. So let's say that you've downloaded the picture onto your desktop. You go into Google Classroom, and you go to the assignment where you want to add the picture, and you go to this button right here that says Add or Create with the plus. And you press on that, and then you would go down to File. And then once you press on File, you would select the picture that was on your desktop and add it. When you were done, you would press Turn In. So that is how you can add a picture to your work.